Very frustrating. That would have been a $925 win. It's Wednesday the 27th of September. Frustrating day today. $260 loss. Stopped out by 3 ticks. And then it shot down to my take profit. My own fault. I was trying to be a bit clever with my stop loss and try and keep it nice and tight. And I should have gone for the recent swing high instead of the order block as my stop loss. But we'll learn for next time. But let's check out the live trade and you can see what I'm on about. I'm bearish this morning on the ES. We've not long had the 9:30 open and it's just taken London lows. Just looking at the hourly chart here, we've got 2 levels of relatively equal lows that I'm targeting. And then for the third target, I'll be looking at the low of yesterday. I've just swept a relatively equal low and it's having that retracement that I was looking for. I think we're going to continue down this morning. There's still the lows of yesterday, which I'm sure will be taken. So I'm going to look to go short of this order block. And that's my order filled. Nice reaction there. Push straight down. Oh, and it's stopped me out. I think I've been ambitious with my stop loss there. I should have been going for that swing high, just above it. This red line here. I was trying to be clever and just keep my stop loss just above that order block. We had a breaker to the left of that as well. That blue dotted line is the New York midnight line as well. So it's just that manipulation to pop back up above that to gather more shorts before it heads down for the rest of the day. But I don't know why I didn't just put it above the swing high. Could have just scaled down to 1 contract and that would have been within my risk. Be interesting to see if my stop would have been fine there. Let's keep watching and find out. Yeah, looks like my stop loss would have been fine. It's now pushing down to where my take profit would have been. I did try and get a few other entries when it set up, but it's not having any of it. It's going there without me today. Very frustrating. That would have been a $925 win. I'm going to try and take the positives rather than the negatives, and the positive was that it made the exact move I was expecting it to make, so I'm getting better at bias, which is I've always found quite difficult. I've always struggled. I've always been quite good at the daily bias, but not very good at what it's going to do that session. Yes, it might be going down for the day, but is it going to go down in the AM session, the PM session? That's what I've always lacked on. So I'm improving in that aspect, but I need to work on my just general price action and keep a bit more of a sensible stop loss, because that would have been a good trade and it's a bit annoying. $260 down. That's me done for the day. On to tomorrow. Hope you all had a better day than I did, and I'll see you tomorrow.